Welcome back everybody. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Jean here with more Mars anomalies and artifacts. We're returning to the southern mid-latitudes to a site just to the west of Bianchini. Lots to see in this one. The high-rise photograph is called Sample Contact. It was acquired on the 31st of July 2009 at a very high resolution of 24.7 centimeters per pixel. I'm showing you images are cropped from the JPEG-2 black and white map projected file, just over 600 megabytes in size. There's a look at the low-res black and white, and the anomalies I'll be showing you are some of these dots that litter this very flat windy terrain on Mars. You can see the dust devil tracks. The site is in Ahonia Terra, 62.56 degrees south, 259.28 degrees east. We've got Bianchini down here to the east, and the photograph we're looking at is located right there, folks. We'll have a look at some of the other anomalies here to the right as well towards the end of the video. So the first one right there, folks, check out the symmetry and geometry in that rectangular object there. It's about 6 by 10 meters in size, and right there in its center we've got this smaller object or protrusion. Check it, the straight edges, right angles and symmetry in this design, folks. There's another rectangular block there, slightly smaller, about 6 by 6 meters in size. Right there in its center we've got this rectangular dark spot. Check that out, folks. Got very well defined edges to this block, 90-degree angles as well. And right there in the center we've got this strange object. It leaves a rectangular shadow. Perhaps that might even be a hole that's been cut into that block. Who knows for sure? We're looking at another blocky item over there. It's about 6 by 5 meters in size. We've got a bevel on it right there, folks, cutting through it, slightly elevated off the surface, and right there in the center, bridging that gap, we've got this dark spot there, and it seems to have a small spherical part right there in its center as well. Wonder if we're looking at dolmen type of constructions here, folks. Another rectangular object over there, about the same size, and this one slightly elevated off the surface as well here on the right. Check it, these straight edges and right angle there, guys. And then I don't know if that there is an opening or if that's a shadow that's being cast by that object there in its center. Looks almost like this is made out of sheet metal. And then there, folks, check out this piece. It's about 12 meters long and about 8 meters wide. And on top of it we've got a smaller rectangular object that's aligned at 45 degrees to this one side. And as usual, it's located in the center of the larger object. It's got a slight curvature to it as well. I wonder if that there could be an opening. Difficult to say because it's in the shadow, but check out the geometry and symmetry going on here again. And then this strange part over there, it's huge, folks. It's about 18 meters long, very smooth flat surface, but a cool rounded edge to the one side, and then it seems to be bent up over here at the bottom. Top of it we've got some strange objects as well. This over here looks like a square object. Difficult to say because of the lack of contrast in these photographs. Check out this part over here too, it's got a curvature to it. And then this part has a small triangular part on the top. That whole piece there is about 12 to 14 meters long. And the little triangle is about 4 by 4 by 4 meters. And it looks like there's an opening on this object, and this piece is sticking out of it over there. Not quite sure what to make of this block, folks. And then this weird piece. It's about 12 meters long. Look at the perfectly flat, smooth surface to it. Got a rounded corner. And on top of it, this part over here, also with the rounded corner over there. Looks like a sculpted or machined part. Not like any of the other boulders in this photograph. Right, let's go down to that site in Ahonia Terra, southern mid-latitudes of Mars, just to the west of Bianchini. There's a look at the anomalies just briefly. For comparison, when we check out the site just to the east, this is about 40 kilometers to the east. Check there, folks. Another block. This one's got a small disc-like anomaly right there in its center. Very strange triangular bevel on that piece. Small block on that round disc-shaped object. Other flat disc connected to this very bright piece. It's weird, it's got a 90-degree angle there to it as well. Strange part lying on top of this rectangular piece there. Check out these straight edges, right angle here as well. Parallel sides there, right angles to it. Seems to be lying on top of a block on the one side. So many of these discs on Mars. This one's got a strange triangular piece on the one side, slightly bent down. Small little disc with a dome right there in the center of this dome-like object. Perfect little square block there, folks. It's got like a small part on the top, parallel with this one side. Seen a similar one in the video. I'll check that out now. Another disc. And this block over here is very similar to the one at the top here. So let's have a look at this object. Right there, folks, about the same size and shape. Let's have a chat in the comments below, folks. I'd love to hear your opinion of what we just checked out. Thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.